Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. This is part 2 of my hair coloring series. As y'all can see, my hair, it is way lighter. So by now y'all should have saw me bleached it the first time, toned it, and then now in a couple clips, in a couple minutes, not a couple. So now I'm about to show you guys the process that I did to achieve this color right here. And this is pretty much the color that I was looking for, that I was trying to get. So I wasn't really as in depth like I showed you guys. I think what all I used, but I didn't show the actual, like, you know, how I apply it to my hair and everything, just because I had already showed that in part 1. So if you want to see that, then just go watch part 1. But I do show you once I do like apply everything, like what's my hair looking like, and then, like, you know, kind of what it's looking like I think prior to me washing it off. So yeah, y'all, right now my hair, it's been a couple days that I've had a perm rod set in it. So it's just kind of like really frizzy now, and as y'all can see, my roots are really, y'all, my roots, at first I think I had like left the toner on too long, because it was just like my roots were kind of blue at first, but it's fine because I feel like my hair covers it anyways, and like even when I put it up in a ponytail, my hair covers it as well. So yeah, right now, like, my hair, it kind of needs a little moisture. I can just feel it like kind of starting to get dry. So I did go out to the store and get a couple things. The first thing that I am going to do is I got the Olaplex, and it is the number 3 one, if y'all can see. And y'all, I really hope that this worked, because for this small bottle, this was like $28. So I don't know, y'all, I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna try to at least get like 2.5, 3 uses out of this. But yeah, but basically I kind of did like a little research on the Olaplex, and at first I thought the Olaplex, like, number 3 was a conditioner, but it's not. It's basically a bond builder or bond repair or something like that, but it's not a conditioner. Like, it doesn't add moisture, it just kind of like repairs your hair. So I'm going to use this, and it's recommended that you use a conditioner after you use the Olaplex. So I'm going to put the Olaplex in. It says use once a week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. And like I said, my hair, like, it's not shedding a lot or anything, but like I really like bleached it and lifted high level, so there is some type of damage. And it says apply on damp towel dried hair, and leave in for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. So of course I'll probably leave it in for longer. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna wash my hair, just because there is product in here. I did use product to achieve this style. Like I said, this is an old perm rod set. So I am just going to, I'll probably just wash my hair. I'm not going to use the actual sulfate conditioner. I mean the sulfate shampoo. And then I'm going to put the Olaplex in, and then, well, no, I'm going to co-wash my hair. So I am going to actually use a shampoo. I'm going to co-wash my hair, and then I'm going to use the shimmer. Oh, dang. So I end up getting the shimmer lights, and I wanted to get the Walmart Equate brand of shimmer lights just because I was being cheaper. I knew that this was a little bit more than what I looked up. That's crazy. I mean, it's the same thing. I just was being cheap and wanted to get the other one and actually end up getting the right brand. But yeah, so I'm gonna use the shimmer lights shampoo just because my hair is blonde now, so that's the shampoo that will be best to maintain this color. And then I did pick up this L'Oreal, is it Elvive? I don't know, tell me if I'm saying it wrong, but I think it's the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair deep conditioner. So I picked this up because I kind of did some research, and it looked like this was a pretty good conditioner. I wanted to get the, what is it called, the Derma, or Derm Organics brand, but like I didn't feel like waiting for it. And y'all, I don't know, like his prices going up or what, because like the Derm Organics, like it wasn't like a really big container and it was like $30 for it. And I'm like, okay, nah, like what's really what? But yeah, so I ended up getting that. And then I got the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk with rice milk and macadamia oil. It's a softening leave-in conditioning cream. So I got that, and I'm going to put that in once I get finished like with the Olaplex. Once I get finished with the Olaplex and my deep conditioner and everything. Typically I use the Tyler Jawala, I don't know, y'all know I don't know how to say this, Tyler Jawala green apple and aloe leave-in conditioner, and I really love this leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's almost pretty much gone. So I might just use the rest of this, or I don't know, I might just try to save that for another style and try this Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. But yeah, y'all, this is kind of the finished look like of the blonde that I wanted to get. I will probably maybe come back tomorrow once my hair is all styled and everything. I plan on, I don't know if I'm gonna do a perm ride set, or I don't know if I want to do twist and then just, I don't know if I want to do like 2-strand twist and then like do the perm rides around there, because I saw something like that and like their hair turned out like really curly, so that was like really pretty too. So I might do that, but whatever I do, I will show you guys the finished product. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I know the lighting is off. And I just woke up, so I'm probably looking crazy. But I just put my hair, well, I put it a while ago, a couple hours ago. Just section them off in this twist, and then I just put some coconut oil on my hair just to moisturize it. So I'm about to recolor. Well, I'm not about to recolor, I'm about to re-bleach my hair. So I have the rest of the Blonde Brilliance powder in here. It's a little bit in there. Then I got 2 more packets plus 35 volume developer. And then I got toner again. I got the Wella T18 and then the Wella 50050. So I'm gonna go ahead and color my hair. I'm not gonna show the process of me like painting it on again, because like y'all have already seen that. Go look at my part 1 and y'all will see how to put it on. I'll show you once it's all put on and everything. I am gonna start with like the shaft of my hair, and then I'm going to try and do the roots last. But I'll show y'all once, I'm sorry y'all, I'm so tired. I'll show y'all once I my hair is still kind of wet. I'm about to blow dry it a little bit. I'll show y'all once it's all put on. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes and this is my hair, and I'm about to wash it out now and then probably tone it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just got out of the shower, and my hair is all washed and everything. I did towel dry my hair. I'm just gonna get a little bit more because the Olaplex says to apply to towel dried hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I don't know if I should try parting it or what, but we gonna try to do what it do. And y'all, I didn't detangle my hair at all. I don't know, I should have, but I didn't. So we're just going to apply it. Just because I think some people said that it worked as like a pretty good detangler also. And like I said, I'm using the Olaplex number 3. Well, this is hard to open. This is really hard to open. Oh my God. So I'm just gonna start by putting some in my hands. I'm just gonna do a little at first just because y'all, I want to be as, is it called ergonomical as I can with this product, because this costed a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, distribute throughout my hair. And then I think I'm gonna take my comb and try to comb out. And then I'm gonna twist it so I know I've already done this section. And if y'all see like these little brown streaks and stuff like that, y'all, listen, I did this on my own, so I was trying to, I couldn't see. Let's just say that, I couldn't see. Okay, so y'all, just with me like combing out through my hair, and putting the Olaplex in, kind of detangling it, this is all I got. So I got this right here, and then I got this in the comb. I know my hair is kind of a light color, so I'll just go ahead and pull it out for y'all. So this is the total amount of hair, I don't know if I can see it better there or not, that I got. But I don't feel like that's a lot. So what I am going to do is, and my hair kind of already feel like really soft. It's crazy. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I am going to sit with probably like a plastic cap over my head for about let's see, on the bottom it says leave it in for about 10 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna do more than that, so I'll probably leave it in for about like 30 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm gonna follow up with a deep conditioner. This right here, this L'Oreal Elvive, and I'll probably leave the conditioner in for about like an hour or so. Maybe, yeah, about an hour and a half. I'll probably leave the conditioner in for about like an hour and a half, and then I'll come back after I do that. Maybe I'll come back, I don't know, we'll see. Either I'll come back after I wash out the conditioner, and then like after I have styled it and everything, I'll tell y'all like the finished product and like what I think about this Olaplex. But yeah, it's pretty. I like it. It's pretty. I like it so far within the first couple minutes. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. So it's been about a little bit over an hour with the Olaplex and my hair, and y'all, my hair just feels so soft. Like, it really just feels like I just came from the salon. Like, and do y'all see my curls? Like, they are really popping. I told y'all this side really doesn't curl like that, but I feel like it's a little more curly, maybe a little bit. It's kind of trying to get there. Like, this is the curliest that it's kind of like ever been. So it is crazy. My hair is like so curly right now, and it feels really good. I feel like my color looks good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I am going to rinse this out of my hair. Y'all, my hair looks so good. But I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out of my hair, and then I'm going to go back in with this deep conditioner and probably let it sit in for about an hour. It's like 7 right now, and I don't want to be up too late doing my hair because I just don't. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and wash it, and yeah. Hey y'all, so this is the end result of my hair. As y'all can see, it's super curly, y'all. I wish y'all could feel it. It's like so soft. Like it feel like I haven't even colored my hair. But this is just day 2 hair. So it's not even in its biggest form, and it already looks like really, really good. So yeah, y'all, I definitely recommend the Olaplex because y'all, my hair is just so soft and so vibrant. Like I'm loving it. Like I'm really loving it. Like I feel like I'm inclined to like actually wear my natural hair now. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, leave it down below. If y'all have tried Olaplex, leave down below what your experience was. I am going to continue to use it, but yeah, if y'all have any other questions, drop them down below. Other than that, I'll see y'all in the next video, and tell me what other videos y'all want to see. Tell me. All right, bye y'all.